morning, my dear students. In last class we have seen about what is the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is nothing but the set of all ordered pairs from the set A to the set B, that is represented by A cross B. That cross is nothing but symbol like multiplication. And now let us see what is the relation. The relation is nothing but a subset of a Cartesian product. We should know what is a subset. Subset is nothing but, as I have told already what is a subset. Again I will explain what is a subset. Let us consider this natural number. Natural number is also called as counting numbers. If we include 0 along with its natural numbers, it constitutes a whole number. Therefore now you can say that natural number is contained or subset of a whole number. That is nothing but a subset. Now let us consider the set A and B. Here this is like the numbers which you know already. Here we are assuming a set A and set B. If A is said to be subset of B, so such that all the elements of A should be there in set B, then only it is called a subset. Therefore Cartesian product, let us assume Cartesian product 1 2 3. This is let us consider P Q and 5 6. Therefore P cross Q will be what? 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 5, 3, 6. Therefore, few elements may be a relation. So, relation is nothing but a subset of the Cartesian product. This is nothing but how to relate. Relation is from which set to which set. You may write relation is from set P to Q. That's what I have done here. This is nothing but Cartesian product, but there is a relation. You can write R equal to relation. Here it is, let me assume some element in Q, some element in Q such that P is a multiple of Q. This is nothing but what is the relation between P and Q, such that P and Q belongs to the set P and Q belongs to the set Q. This is nothing but the relation. Here we made relation is nothing but from which set to which set. This is from R is from A to, this is nothing but to B. R is from, relation is from A to B. This is the representation. Now if A and B are two subsets, this is a relation is nothing but a subset of the Cartesian product. That's what mathematically I have represented here. Relation is not contained in Cartesian product. Relation is nothing but a subset of a Cartesian product. This is the definition which we are writing in words. This is the mathematical representation. Now this is an example how to write. This form is nothing but set builder form. There are two forms. If you are writing in terms of numbers, that is nothing but roster form. If you are writing in terms of expressions, that is words, that is called set builder form. Now in relation, before moving on to what is a relation, how to define that, we should know what are the elements in set A, set B. That's those elements, that's what I have explained here. Let me explain. Now, there are two sets. Let me assume one to be A, another to be B. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me assume a relation. Just I am writing on my own. 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 4 or 5. Now what will be the Cartesian product? 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. Now relation is nothing but a Cartesian subset of the Cartesian product. So all the elements, this is 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 5, 3, 5 is in Cartesian product. So this is nothing but a relation. Therefore relation should contain in the Cartesian product. Now we are going to tell what is the domain. That is, I am telling first element is called the domain. In the ordered pairs, what is the first element? 1, 2, 3. That is said to be domain. The first element of the given set in the relation, that is said to be the domain. Domain is nothing but the first element which is present in the relation. Therefore 1, 2, 3 is nothing but the domain. The next one, range. The second element is nothing but the range. Therefore 4, 5 is nothing but the range. I may include 7 or it may be any number. 4 and 5 is nothing but what is there in this relation? Second element 4, 5. That is nothing but range. These two numbers are range as per the relation what I have written. Here 1, 2, 3. The first element is nothing but the range. The second element is nothing but the range. First element is nothing but the domain. Now I am going to tell about what is codomain. The whole set. This whole set where it is related to. This is if it is related from A to B, where it is related to, that whole set is said to be codomain. If I am relating from P to Q, that the whole set Q is said to be the codomain. Now, these are the three main things which you should know: domain, range and codomain. The next one, image and pre-image. Now let me explain according to your wish. You go and stand in front of your mirror and you will be seeing the image. Therefore, from here you are seeing, therefore let me consider this to be A and this to be B. Yes, from A to B you are relating. Therefore, the element which is present for you, this is the image. Therefore, let me consider the relation here. For 1, 4 is the image. Therefore, B is the image of A. This is A, this is B. B is the image of A. Now, let me tell pre-image. Pre-image is nothing but image is the image which you are seeing your image, and pre-image is nothing but yourself. So here according to this, 4 is the image, 1 is nothing but the pre-image. Now codomain is nothing but, see here so many are standing in front of you, but you are relating your image only. So only you should relate for each element, it has different images. For 2 I have given 4. For 3 I have given 5. Therefore 5 is the image of 3, 4 is the image of 2, 4 is the image of 1 as well. That is nothing but image. Now 1 is the pre-image of 4, 2 is the pre-image of 4, 3 is the pre-image of 5. That's what I have explained as pre-image and image. And always you should consider this is nothing but the range I told, and the whole set is nothing but codomain. Therefore, range is contained in codomain. This is very important relation between range and codomain. As I told already, in relation you can write it in terms of roster form and set builder form. Roster form is nothing but if you are writing mathematically, that is nothing but roster form. If you are writing in terms of words, that is nothing but set builder form. And there are the total number of relation is 2 power pq. To find out the number of total relations, that is the formula for that is 2 power pq, where p is the number of elements in set A and q is nothing but number of elements in set B.